Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki S-Cross. In this video I'll show you how to enable speed limiter. In the beginning, take a look at the steering wheel. On the right side we've got the cruise control panel. Firstly, press mode button until you see speed limiter on the instrument cluster. Now press minus button and plus button to adjust the speed. Of course, make sure that the car is turned on. To activate speed limiter, press button above. Now you can manage the speed limit. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.